Luxury Motorhome Model Year 2026 Mercedes. The 2026 Mercedes Luxury Motorhome is a sophisticated blend of cutting-edge technology, superior comfort, and sleek style, and it will allow you to experience the pinnacle of road travel. This motorhome, which is constructed on a sturdy Mercedes-Benz chassis, reimagines what it means to live in a mobile home on account of its roomy interior, which has been painstakingly planned, and its cutting-edge conveniences. Features of the interior. Bedroom located at the back of the motorhome, you will find a private bedroom that is furnished with a comfortable queen-size bed, storage space above the bed, USB ports to be placed next to the bed, and gentle ambient lighting. In addition to providing a comfortable night's sleep, the high-end memory foam mattress also features panoramic windows that provide beautiful views from wherever you position your vehicle. Bathroom. The beautifully designed bathroom features a contemporary shower that is provided with a rainfall head, a ceramic toilet, and a fashionable vanity that is furnished with a sink and a backlit mirror. The comfort of a home-like experience can be had while traveling, thanks to high-quality fixtures and a water heating system that is tailored to the purpose. Living room. The central living room includes a leather sofa that can be converted into a sofa bed, a smart TV that can be retracted, and a table that can be used for both dining and working. It is the ideal location for unwinding, hosting guests, or enjoying meals because it is encircled by enormous windows that have been tinted and has soft-touch LED lighting. In order to provide the highest possible level of comfort, the area has been sound insulated and climate controlled. Extra features include an integrated kitchen with an induction stove, a refrigerator, and a microwave, solar panels and a lithium battery system for the capability of operating off the grid, a smart control panel for the lighting, the temperature, and the entertainment system. With LED headlights and a high paint finish, the outside is sleek and aerodynamic. Additionally, there are numerous storage compartments on the exterior, and the awning can be retracted. An unrivaled level of elegance, functionality, and independence is provided by the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome, which can be utilized for a variety of purposes, including traveling across the country or simply spending a relaxing weekend getaway.